My name is Jason Rosh. I've been with Briggs & Stratton for about 4 years now. When I was little, I was building go-karts and tuning up cars and building hot rods, and then as I got older, I became an automotive technician. After college, I started working at Ford Motor Company, and the last 4 years I've been here at Briggs, and definitely had a lot of fun doing it. I work currently in the Research and Development Center. A lot of my efforts are focused on lowering exhaust emissions on engines much like this one. With the remaining time, I also do some innovations that improve startability, durability, and other product quality related aspects. We are proud of our starting ability. That's why we give the two-puller less guarantee. A lot of time is spent working on, the diameter of the pulley, the friction inside of the engine, the inertia of the blade. All these things come into play when you attempt to start that engine. There's the starting mechanism itself, which is the recoil. It sits on top of the engine, and you see this is part of it here, the rope. All these things need to work together in unison when you pull that rope. The air-fuel charge going into the engine needs to be prepared correctly. A warm engine wants a different amount of fuel than a cold engine wants, and that needs to all be figured into the design of the engine. Years ago, I don't even know that you could find a feature where you had to do no cold start enrichment of any kind, whether it be a prime or a choke. My understanding is that they all had at least one or the other or both. In the last decade, we've been able to eliminate that, which takes several steps out of the act of starting the engine itself. We have a usability lab and group within the company that will prototype different designs like this one, and then we'll bring customers in and we'll have them vote on what feels most comfortable to them. The idea is, good ergonomics, good aesthetics. You want to be able to grab onto it, and it's got to feel good to you. Well, in engineering, we talk two different kinds of pulls. There's, and I don't know if this is politically correct, the grandma pull and then the He-Man pull, and we try and make it so it just takes a grandma pull. The last mower we were looking at, it had a recoil style starter. This particular one has the electric start, so we're then one step closer to an automobile. We have a push button start switch right here, which is very nice and convenient, and really we're kind of proud of this mower because it kind of speaks to the 21st century. It's got some new styling features and everything else. It's very easy starting, no pulling the rope, no priming, no choking, none of that. When you're out at the store shopping for a lawnmower, there's a lot to consider, but one of the most important things that you should consider is the startability of the engine. My name is Jason Rosh, and I'm an engineer at Briggs & Stratton.